All right, guys, today we're learning how to play Where To Now, St. Peter by Elton John, an old favorite. And we're going to learn it without reading music. Here we go. That's how it opens up, and this is a great piece to start learning Elton John's style because he has a particular style, and this is one that's not too hard to play, and you can it'll open up a lot of more Elton John songs to you. All right, so we're doing the part one here, the free part one, and then all the lessons for the whole thing are always on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I have like nearing 50 Elton John lesson series on songs, so plenty of Elton John if you're into that. All right, so the big notes are what we're going to play. The little notes, in smaller type, that's what I hear later on. I don't necessarily hear it this first time he goes through it. Maybe he's playing it and it's so soft I can't hear it, but later on he definitely plays it a lot more. So I just wanted you to know that the very first time. All right, it's kind of a thinner accompaniment, but these notes come in later, and he does do them every time it comes back because you play this first part a lot. We're in the key of B, so sorry for the sharps, but sharps are just a matter of playing in sharps once you get used to it. And it's nothing. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this, so definitely do that so you can get some HD sheets to zoom in and zoom out, or just print them out according to your needs. B, F sharp on the left hand below middle C, right hand B, D sharp B. Okay, all right, so there's our B chord, then F sharp, D sharp. Go ahead and get that finger over the F sharp, even though you don't play it to begin with, just so you're ready to go, because the whole measure is the B chord. Just get your fingers over the keys and you're ready to go. Okay, you just play that arpeggio for the whole measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the curved line means those notes keep going as eighth notes. The dash is you hold that one a little bit more. It's kind of a loose visual for rhythm for you. Hold the pedal down. The whole measure is a B chord, so it works. Later on, he plays the B on the thumb, so you get an octave. Okay, now here. All right, for this measure, F sharp, there's a D on the bottom. I'm just going to play it because I like it every time. All right, if you want to just have the F sharp only this first time, that's fine. Then there's another little F sharp there. I'll play with fingers 2 and 4, D and F sharp. Right hand, A and E. I'll use fingers 1 and 3. Then F sharp with the fourth finger, A, high A. So da da da, F sharp, D, A. Again, this is just that position for this chord. The first position was a B chord. The next one is, a D chord with an A octave on the outside. So da da bum 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 bum. Hands together. Okay. Let's tie the two measures together now and go. Now we have an E chord. We had B chord, D chord. Now we're going to have an E chord. So that's going to be E and G sharp. Later on, you might want to put a B on the bass, or maybe the first time if you want. The first time he plays it through, it's a thinner accompaniment. And then he gets, a little more involved as we go through the piece. A, G sharp, E, B, G sharp, E, B. Maybe fingering can be 4, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1. So, all right. So let's tie that to the beginning and go. And then, all right, guys, there's our part one. I hope you enjoyed that, and we do finish the whole thing on the website. So I hope you guys had a great time with that. I surely did. Talk to you later.